I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video I have another wig, and I have been doing a certain type of wigs for the past several months, but this time I went back to lace, child. I went back to lace. Okay, this wig that I have in right now is perfect for the fall time. I love this color in the fall time. This unit is from Unice Hair Company. I'm gonna leave their playlist down below so you can check out all the other videos that I've done with this company. All of the information is going to be down in the description box with the links to this company, and all the wigs that they have is going to be down there, so make sure you check there. In case I misspeak, child, the description box is going to have everything, okay? But they sent me their reddish brown 8x5, I believe, lace wig, and you guys are going to see the construction of it in about a few seconds, okay? It has combs, an adjustable elastic band, adjustable straps, and a drawstring, which I love because you can really get this wig super tight, especially because this wig can be worn glueless. Okay, that means it's convenient. Okay, this hair is actually 24 inches and it is absolutely stunning. Okay, I love this color, and I feel like I've been doing a lot of black wigs lately, so this red is really popping out, and it's an adjustment. It's adjustment. But there was a time where Gabby was wearing the bright red wigs, okay? I used to love colored wigs, especially in the fall time. But so anyway, the hair is very soft. It's very lightweight. Everything's nice. No complaints. Now, you do have an option. Like I said, you can wear it glueless, or you can actually use product to lay this wig down. I use liquid gold by, what is this called? The Hair Diagram. I use this just to melt the lace a little bit more into my scalp. You can use hairspray, whatever you want to do. You can even use water really to melt it. But I decided to use this because this is what I had in my bathroom. So I used that, and let me just mention this. Where is this at? I absolutely love the skinny headbands. I love this. I really wish every company would start using the skinny ones because it gets the job done. Okay, I just like this. I don't know, I wanted to mention that. And the other thing that I really like, oh, is this right here. I really like this edge brush. I know it seems so silly, but this is so awesome, and I love the fact that it comes with a replaceable head and the rat tooth comb or whatever. I love this. I absolutely love this. A lot of companies, please start using combs like this. We need this. Okay, like I mentioned, this is an 8x5 lace frontal wig, so you do have a lot of parting space. It actually goes all the way back here. It goes back here, so that is a lot. From here to here, you have a lot of parting space, so you can do a lot of different hairstyles. You can even do the half up, half down. I'm notorious for that. Actually, let's go ahead and just like put this up so you guys can just see what I'm talking about. Very easy. What more do you want? What more do you want? You know, you can literally take it off and put it back on and have the same style tomorrow. Yeah. So the drawstring, I really want to show you guys that because that comes in clutch. Okay. So, okay, here's the drawstring. It is so sturdy. You can pull it and then adjust it, and that's it. It literally is that easy, and it makes the perimeter of the wig so tight. And that's how you can get your lace to really lay into your skin, or have the illusion that it is, just based off tightening this. But y'all, don't give yourself a headache. Don't give yourself a headache, okay? So I definitely take advantage of the elastic band, the adjustable straps, and the drawstring. I really don't do the combs as much if I don't have to, because that puts a lot of tension on your hair. So I tend to stray a little bit from that if I can, but if I can't, then I'm gonna use them. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies.